Joining us now is new Cardinal Antoine Kambanda from the Kigali Archdiocese. He is also the first Rwandan Archbishop to receive this title. Your Eminence, welcome and congratulations. Tell us what was going through your mind as Pope Francis put the biretta on your head.
It was a great joy, and I was thanking the Lord for this grace to the Church in Rwanda and the country and in Africa.
I know you also visited Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI. What was the message that he gave to you and also to the new cardinals?
I was surprised because despite the advanced age, he still has a very good memory. When I was presented as the Archbishop of Rwanda, he remembered Rwanda and he told me, your people suffered so much, which we showed he has a good memory of Rwanda and what took place in Rwanda. And he prays for us because, as he says, he is no longer having the strength to speak, but it is his silence that speaks more than the words.
I know the president of Rwanda also reacted positively to your new mission. How will this impact the evangelization in Rwanda?
The church in Rwanda has taken an important role, has had an important role in the process of a reconciliation. And the president himself has very much recognized the role of the church in the process of reconciliation and building and rebuilding the community of Rwandans after the destruction of the genocide. And the relationship of the church and the state in Rwanda has very much improved.
Your Eminence, can you tell us what are the conditions right now in your country?
It's the efforts to rebuild the internal structures, the relationships, especially the family. It is something we are working upon because the family is the domestic church and the family is the foundation of the society, to prepare the lasting peace in the future. When we take care of the young ones, the children are brought up in love and peace and kindness. It is a seed of peace that we plant in their hearts and a foundation for the peaceful relationships and peaceful country in the future. Secondly is taking care of the youth. The youth have got the strength, they've got the talents, and they need formation in skills in order to have their talents developed. And once they realize themselves and they are happy, then you have the strength of building the nation, which sometimes is exploited in violence, conflicts, armed conflicts. The youth are vulnerable, but when they are well trained, well taken care of, they become a solution instead of being a problem in the society.
Well, Your Eminence, thank you for sharing all of that with us, and congratulations again. We thank you for your time as well. Cardinal Antoine Kambanda from the Kigali Archdiocese in Rwanda. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you very much, and I wish you a nice mission in the media.